Hey friends, do your sarees always end up messy in the cupboard or worse wrinkled when you finally take them out to wear? Don't worry, today I will show you the easiest way to fold your sari neatly so it stays fresh, compact and ready to drape anytime. Lay it out. First, open your sari fully, lay it out on the clean surface and hold it in front of you. Make sure edges align properly. This little step saves you a lot of creases later. Step 2. Now start with pallu and smooth out gently. Bring it together sari inner edge and make sari into the half length. Step 3. Next, fold it once more lengthwise and make it a quarter of its original length. Fourth, folding. Now comes the magic part. Start folding widthwise about one arm length at a time and keep smoothing it as you go. This keeps your sari crease free and compact. Once folded, you will get a neat square or rectangle that fits perfectly in your wardrobe, and that's it. Your sari is perfectly folded, wrinkle free and easy to store.